पहली बार retention के ऊपर बात करना शुरू की. So we have started off with the sensitization trainings, and that was not restricted to the females only; it was for males also. Of course, the curriculum was different in a way that females were sensitized over the marital statuses that they are coming from, and help them to introduce them as a person, not from the financial burden or the marital status they are coming from. From the male perspective, we try to build a male allyship where we acute, sensitize, make them understand our males in the business, how they can create a conducive environment for the workforce that belongs to the female gender. उसमें काफ़ी सारे aspects होते हैं with respect to subordinate, with respect to stakeholders, with respect to colleagues, with respect to general as a person. So that helps us to maintain a proper decorum into the business, and eventually we have achieved conducive, safe environment for all the employees who are working. We have also facilitated females with respect to transportation, though we are also providing for males as well, but we do give priority to the females first, and also increasing our facility with respect to that. Daycare is also for the males and the females. Subsidized food is also for the male and the females. Also capacity building trainings and workshop on the technical skills as well as on the soft skills. क्योंकि बाज़ दफ़ा आप जवाब कैसे देते हैं वहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम जेंडर आ जाता है, डिफरेंट तरीके से बात आ जाती है. खास तौर पे लीडरशिप रोल के ऊपर एक फीमेल इज अ बॉस एट द डिपार्टमेंट, सो दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट के भी मर्द हज़रात काफ़ी मुदाखलत करते हैं सबऑर्डिनेट्स को चढ़ाने पढ़ाने सिखाने के लिए, क्योंकि डिस्टर्ब एनवायरनमेंट दे क्लेम है. तो सुपरवाइजरी स्किल्स को बिल्ड करना, सपोर्ट सिस्टम डेवलप करना, तो ये हमने किया. हायरिंग के ऊपर भी इंश्योर्ड दैट द फीमेल्स विल रिप्लेस बाय द फीमेल्स, एंड इफ यू कुड आल्सो बिकॉज वी वुड लाइक टू इंक्रीज द वर्कफोर्स नंबर्स, सो वी हैव आल्सो रिस्ट्रिक्टेड दैट के फीमेल्स को प्रायोरिटाइज करें. उसके अलावा एक चीज़ हमने बात भी की है, डिजिटल लिटरेसी हमने इंट्रोड्यूस की कि ATM अपना खुद चलाएं, ऑल्सो दे कैन रीड and understand their salary slip, whether they are educated or not. So by that they are financially independent, at least understand what salary they are receiving or how they can help with the money. एक और मज़े की चीज़ that we have done with respect to retention is that in our restroom spaces where we have provided mattresses and floor cushions in order to facilitate them. So if somebody is having a menstrual time period, so we also facilitate them to an extent if it's required. So we're also providing health and hygiene kits to them, and also reduce the system of where the taboo is coming instead of in a textile industry, which is primarily a very dominating business. But such kind of initiatives with respect to capacity building is also that if gender is coming, she's not a male or a female. She is just an employee like another.
That is a very good note. A big round of applause for this. That part. She found out